Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and help us grow. And also please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons we offer. Over the last 11 years, homelessness in London has gone through the roof. There are now record numbers of people sleeping rough, sleeping on the streets. And in my part of North London, there are 3 or 4 people that I see regularly out on the streets. Yesterday, I popped down to my local supermarket and I saw one of the local homeless guys begging outside the shop. And as I often do, I bought him a sandwich and something to drink. And when I was giving it to him, I had a little chat to find out how he was. And we ended up getting into a very long and detailed conversation where he told me about how he ended up on the street. Basically, a few years ago, his wife died and it hit him really hard. She died quite young. And he started drinking, and the drinking affected his job. He ended up losing his job, which led to him losing the flat he was renting, which led to him ending up on the street. Afterwards, I had this feeling that I always have in these kind of situations, that there but for the grace of God, go I. There but for the grace of God is something we often say to acknowledge the fact that we're lucky, that we're not in someone else's unfortunate situation. So maybe if you hear that a friend of yours has lost their job because of the economic crisis caused by COVID, you might feel relieved that you still have a job yourself. And when you hear this news, you might say, God, how awful. But hey, there but for the grace of God, go all of us. In the same way, if you hear that a friend of yours is having marital problems or problems with their kids or that they've had a terrible accident, you might also say, there but for the grace of God, eh? It's a way of showing that you're grateful for the luck that you've had so far in your life. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm, which helps more people to find us. Please do share the video with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comments section below. We'd love to hear examples of times when you think, there but for the grace of God.